Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law channel. Friends, today we will see Judicial Preliminary Examination question paper of year 2014 with answers for the post of District Judge by KRK Law. So friends, watch our complete video, share it, comment on it, like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see from question number 1. Question number 1, where one of the several persons jointly entitled to institute a suit is under a legal disability and a discharge can be given without the concurrence of such person dash. The answer is option number A. Time, that is period of limitation, will run against them all. Question number 2. If the owner of two or more properties mortgages them to one person and then mortgages one or more of the properties to another person, the subsequent mortgagee is, in the absence of a contract to the contrary, entitled to have the prior mortgage debt satisfied out of the property not mortgaged to him. This is called dash. The answer is option number C, marshalling. Question number 3. A has a right of way annexed to his house or B's land dash. The answer is option number B. This is discontinuous easement. Question number 4. The bailment of goods as a security for performance of a promise is called dash. The answer is option number A, pledge. Question number 5. The doctrine of prospective overruling was first evolved in the case of dash. The answer is option number C, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Question number 6. P committing a murder removed some ornaments from the dead body though the accused P was guilty of an offence of murder. The removal of ornaments amounts to dash. The answer is option number C, dishonest misappropriation. Question number 7. Goods displayed in a supermarket with a price tag is dash. The answer is option number C, invitation to offer. Question number 8. If an intestate has left no heir qualified to succeed to his or her property in accordance with the provisions of Hindu Succession Act 1956, such property shall devolve on the government. This is known as dash. The answer is option number A, escheat. Question number 9. Which of the following rights can be acquired by prescription? The answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 10. A foreigner without any justification inflicts a blow on another foreigner in a foreign vessel on high seas, that without maritime belt, and the person so struck lands in Bombay. The foreigner who struck the blow also lands in Bombay. The answer is option number A. Criminal courts in India cannot take action against the offender. Question number 11. Inquiry means every inquiry conducted under the Criminal Procedure Code by dash. The answer is option number C, magistrate or court. Question number 12. A woman ran to a well stating she would jump in it, but she was caught before she could reach it. She is guilty of dash. The answer is option number D, no offence. Question number 13. Every suit by minor shall be instituted in his name by a person who in such suit shall be called dash. The answer is option number B, next friend of the minor. Question number 14. Stolen property means dash. The answer is option number D, A to C above. That is A, property the possession whereof has been transferred by theft. B, the property the possession whereof has been transferred by theft or by extortion or by robbery. C, the property which has been criminally misappropriated. Question number 15. Where two clauses of gift in a will are irreconcilable so that they cannot possibly stand together? The answer is option number B. The last shall prevail. Question number 16. The heirs under Mohammedan law on the death of Mohammedan dying intestate succeed to the estate of the deceased as dash. The answer is option number B. Tenants in common in specific shares. Question number 17. Misfeasance would imply dash. The answer is option number C, where lawful act is done in an improper manner. Question number 18. In exercise of powers of revision, the Court of Session cannot dash. The answer is option number B. Convert a finding of acquittal into one of the conviction. Question number 19. Stealing one's own property is dash. Answer is option number A. Not at all an offense. Question number 20. Which of the following is not secondary evidence of the original? The answer is option number B. Oral account of the contents of a copy by a person who has seen only the copy. Question number 21. When the question is whether man is alive or dead and it is shown that he was alive within dash, the burden of proving that he is dead is on the person who affirms it. The answer is option number C, 30 years. Question number 22. A threat to commit suicide amounts to dash. The answer is option number D, coercion. Question number 23. Which is the only directive principle which has been converted into a fundamental right? The answer is option number D, right to education. Question number 24. Malice is law means dash. The answer is option number D, wrongful act done intentionally without any just cause or excuse. Question number 25. In calculating fractions of terms of punishment, imprisonment for life shall be reckoned as equivalent to imprisonment for dash years. The answer is option number D, 20. Question number 26. In a contract of reconveyance of immovable property dash, the answer is option number B. Time is the essence of contract. Question number 27. A divorced Hindu woman cannot claim maintenance from her former husband. The answer is option number B. Under section 18 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Question number 28. Order 37, which pertains to summary procedure, applies to dash. The answer is option number D, B and C above. Means B, on a guarantee where the claim against the principal is in respect of debt, and C, suits upon bills of exchange, hundis and promissory notes. Question number 29. On dissolution of a firm dash. The answer is option number C. The partner continue to liable as such to third parties for any act done by any of them which would have been an act of the firm if done before the dissolution until public notice is given of the dissolution. Question number 30. In which of the following situation it is necessary for the defendant to file an appeal or take cross objection? The answer is option number D. The impugned decrees is partly in favor of the plaintiff and partly in favor of the defendant. Question number 31. As per order 21, rule 82 of the Code of Civil Procedure, which one of the following codes cannot order sale of immovable property in execution of decree? The answer is option number B, Court of Small Causes. Question number 32. Where an act or omission constitutes an offence under two or more enactments, then the offender shall be dash. The answer is option number A, liable to be prosecuted and punished under either or any of those enactments, but shall not be liable to be punished twice for the same offence. Question number 33. Nemo meritorius presumitor Mentire means dash. The answer is option number C. No one at the point of death is presumed to lie. Question number 34. A Hindu wife can marry immediately after divorce. A Muslim wife dash. The answer is option number C. Only after the iddat period. Question number 35. The expression dying intestate refers to dash. The answer is option number A. Dying without making a will. Question number 36. Defamation by means of writing, print, etc. is legally called dash. The answer is option number C. Libel. Question number 37. Which of the following is an exception to hearsay evidence? The answer is option number B. Dying declaration. Question number 38. Match the following. A. Mandamus, B. Habeas corpus, C. Certiorari, D. Quo warranto, and 1. Transferring of case from an inferior court to court of higher jurisdiction. 2. Calling upon one to show by what authority he holds or claims a franchise or office. 3. Direction to an official for the performance of a duty. And 4. Release of an illegally detained person. The answer is option number B. A, B, C, D. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Question number 39. The compounding of an offence under section 320 of CRPC before charge is framed shall have the effect of dash. The answer is option number D. An acquittal. Question number 40. A sees a ring belonging to Z lying on a table in Z's house, not venturing to misappropriate the ring immediately for fear of search and detection. A hides the ring in a place where it is highly improbable that it will ever be found by Z, with the intention of taking the ring from the hiding place and selling it when the loss is forgotten. The answer is option number B. A commits theft. Question number 41. A warranty is a stipulation collateral to the main purpose of the contract dash. The answer is option number B. The breach of which gives rise to claim for damages. Question number 42. The dismissal of a suit for specific performance of a contract dash. The answer is option number A. Bars the plaintiff to sue for compensation for the breach. Question number 43. In which of the following cases the court may properly exercise discretion not to decrease specific performance? The answer is option number C. A and B above. That is A, where the terms of contract give the plaintiff an unfair advantage over the defendant, and B, where the performance of the contract would involve some hardship on the defendant which he did not foresee. Question number 44. Where a share of a dwelling house belonging to an undivided family has been transferred to a person who is not a member of such family, and dash, the court shall, if any member of the family, being a shareholder, shall undertake to buy the share of such transferee, make a valuation of such share in such manner as it thinks fit, and direct the sale of such share to such shareholder, and may give all necessary and proper directions in that behalf. The answer is option number B. Such transferee sues for partition. Question number 45. Tender of pardon to an accomplice is granted with a view dash. The answer is option number B. To obtaining the evidence of any person who is privy to an offence. Question number 46. Which of the following is or are an exception to the rule of precedent? The answer is option number D. A and B above. That is A, the decision per inquirium, and B, the decision sub silentio. Question number 47. A will, the making of which has been caused by fraud or coercion dash. The option is answer is option number A is white. Question number 48. The unstamped oblique insufficiently stamped promissory note is dash. The answer is option number B, not at all admissible in evidence. Question number 49. A Muslim can marry any number of wives not exceeding 4. If a Muslim marries a fifth wife, such a marriage shall be dash. The answer is option number B or C, wide or irregular. Question number 50. A intending to murder Z by poison purchases poison and mixes the same with food and places the same on Z's table. Dash. The answer is option number A. A has committed the offense of attempt to commit murder. Thank you. The remaining part we will see in the next video. Thank you.